Speed is a fundamental aspect of the tattooing process, affecting everything from the quality of the line work to the healing of the skin. It's crucial for artists to understand how speed functions, its impact on different needle groupings, and how it relates to other machine settings like give and stroke length. Additionally, understanding the technical aspects, such as the difference between volts and hertz, is necessary. Tattoo machine speed refers to the rate at which the needle moves up and down, typically measured in cycles per second. It determines how quickly the needle punctures the skin to deposit ink. Speed is controlled by the machine's power supply, which regulates the flow of electricity. In rotary machines, speed is determined by the rotations per minute of the motor, while in coil machines, is determined by the electromagnetic circuits cycling. Adjusting the voltage on the power supply changes the speed. Higher voltage increases speed, while lower voltage decreases it. Impact on different needle groupings. Lining needles typically require higher speeds to create clean, crisp lines. The speed must be sufficient to drive the needles into the skin firmly and evenly. Shading needles, often used at slower speeds, allowing for a more gradual deposit of ink, which is ideal for shading and blending. Large groupings. Needles grouped for filling large areas may require adjustments in higher speed to ensure even ink distribution, which in turn may cause more skin trauma, resulting in more bruising, bleeding, or swelling. Relation to give and stroke. Machines with more give may require adjustments in speed. A softer give might benefit from a slightly faster speed to compensate for the retraction of the needle. Longer strokes generally need a slower speed to prevent too much trauma to the skin, while shorter strokes can be used with faster speeds for detailed work. Differences between volts and hertz in relation to tattoo machines. Voltage measures the force of electricity powering the machine. Increasing the voltage increases the machine's speed up to a point, but can also cause more trauma to the skin if too high. Volts are given in numbers usually ranging from 4 to 13, including decimal points. Hertz, frequency, refers to the cycles per second in alternating current. In the context of tattoo machines, the frequency can affect the smoothness and consistency of the needle's movement. Hertz is given in the number of cycles per second and usually range from 50 to 200. Artists adjust the voltage to control speed, keeping in mind that the type of work, lining, shading, color packing, and the machine's characteristics, coil or rotary, will influence the optimal settings. Since the stroke length, needle configuration, give, technique, and skin of the client all influence the machine's performance differently, it's impossible to give a universal power setting for all scenarios. Understanding and controlling the speed of a tattoo machine is crucial for artists seeking to produce high-quality work. It requires a balance of technical knowledge and practical experience, considering how speed interacts with give, stroke length, and different needle groupings. Mastery of machine speed, along with an understanding of volts and hertz, allows artists to tailor their approach to each unique design and client, ensuring precision, safety, and artistry in every tattoo.